How to become rich in your 20s, step-by-step plan. If you are in your 20s, you have something more powerful than money. You have time. And if you use this decade correctly, you can become financially free before 35. But if you waste it, you may struggle for the next 40 years. In this video, I'll give you a step-by-step plan to become rich in your 20s, practical, realistic, and proven. Let's begin. Step 1. Fix your mindset first. Most people in their 20s chase lifestyle. Rich people in their 20s chase assets. Stop trying to look rich. Start trying to become rich. Read books like Rich Dad, Poor Dad, The Psychology of Money, The Millionaire Fastlane. Your income grows only as much as your mindset grows. Action. Spend 30 minutes daily learning about money. Step 2. Increase your income aggressively. Saving alone will not make you rich. In your 20s, focus on earning more, not cutting coffee. Learn high-income skills like digital marketing, sales, coding, video editing, copywriting. Your first goal. Earn more than your friends. Your second goal. Create multiple income streams. Remember, rich people focus on income expansion. Step 3. Avoid lifestyle inflation. When your salary increases, don't upgrade your lifestyle immediately. This is where most people fail. Instead of buying new car, expensive phone, branded clothes, invest that money. Drive a simple car. Live below your means. Invest the difference. Step 4. Start investing early, even if it's small. Compounding is magic. If you invest $300 per month starting at 22, you can retire rich. But if you start at 32, you'll need double the effort. Invest in index funds, stocks, businesses, skills. Study investors like Warren Buffett. He started investing as a teenager. Time plus consistency equals wealth. Step 5. Build one strong asset. Rich people don't depend on one salary. Build a YouTube channel, a small business, a digital product, a freelance agency. Even this channel, Rich Habit Academy, is an asset. Assets pay you. Jobs pay your bills. Build something that works when you sleep. Step 6. Choose your network carefully. Your income is the average of your 5 closest friends. If your circle complains, spends recklessly, avoids growth, you will stay average. Follow mentors. Connect with ambitious people. Distance yourself from negative influences. Step 7. Take smart risks. Your 20s is the safest time to take risks. You have no big responsibilities, no major liabilities. Time to recover. Start the business. Move cities. Learn new skills. Try and fail. Failure in your 20s is education. Failure at 50 is expensive. Step 8. Protect your health. What is the use of money without energy? Exercise. Sleep well. Eat clean. Energy creates productivity. Productivity creates income. Income creates wealth. If you follow these 8 steps consistently, by 30, you won't just have money. You will have options. And remember, your 20s is not for comfort. It's for construction. If this video helped you, subscribe to Rich Habit Academy and start building your rich life today. See you in the next video.